Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best spackle that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Dap 12346 Drydex 5.5 ounces raw building material. With a versatile formula and a color-changing quality that makes it easy to tell when it's dry, this product is one of the best all-around spackles on the market. Drydex can cover everything from small nail holes to large gashes that require a mesh patch. While determining when some spackles are dry can be a challenge, Drydex makes it easy. It's pink when applied and turns to a solid white when dry. Drydex also won't shrink or crack, reducing the number of coats needed to complete the job. Once white, it sands easily. And with primer integrated into the spackling, there's no need to prime before painting over it. Drydex, which comes in 1/2 pint, 5 ounce, and quart size containers, is suitable for use on drywall, plaster, and wood, making it an excellent spackle to have on hand for repairs in a pinch. Moving on at number 4, we have Dap Inc 18746 Alex Plus Spackling. With its 32-ounce bucket, this spackle offers the same high level of quality as other Dap products at a very similar price, making it an ideal pick for larger wall repair jobs. This standard spackling compound is versatile with its ability to fill small nail holes or larger cracks and holes. It dries within a few hours, depending on the thickness of the repair, and is suitable for use with various materials, including drywall, wood, masonry, and metal. With its resistance to cracking and shrinking, it requires a single application for repairs of 1/4 inch or less. It can also fill holes of up to 3/4 inch when layered. At number 3, we have Dap 12142, 32.0 FL Oz, white. 77. No one wants to wait an hour or more for that spackled nail hole from the picture hanger to dry so the painting project can get underway. This Dap Fast and Final lightweight spackling is ideal for such minor pre-painting repairs. It goes on quickly with a putty knife and is ready for paint in just 30 minutes. With no sanding or priming required, this spackle is one of the fastest ways to get those minor wall repairs done so the painting can begin. This spackle dries to a hard finish and won't shrink or crack. Dap Fast and Final comes in a variety of sizes, including a small 8-ounce unit that's easy to grip in one hand while applying it with a putty knife in the other. At number 2, we have 3M High-Strength Large Hole Repair. More extensive wall and ceiling repairs require a spackle with a heavier consistency. This high-strength spackle from 3M uses fibers in its mix to create a thicker compound that is capable of patching holes between 3 and 5 inches in diameter. Those fibers also give it exceptional strength, enabling this spackle to hold its shape through the drying process while also ensuring a strong patch that will hold up to daily wear and tear once dry. Its thicker consistency also makes it ideal for sanding. With a dry time as short as 30 minutes, depending on thickness, this spackle dries 5 times faster than other vinyl spackles. It's suitable for outdoor use when sealed with paint and works on drywall, plaster, stucco, concrete, and wood. And finally at number 1. Red Devil 0549, OneTime Lightweight Spackling Kit. While most spackling repair kits come with spackling and patches, this 4-piece kit goes the extra mile by also including a putty knife and sandpaper. With all the necessary tools for repairing walls and ceilings, this kit is ideal for anyone who needs to fix damaged walls or ceilings in smaller houses and apartments, but who may not have a workshop with a collection of tools and supplies at the ready. This kit includes a 6-inch by 6-inch patch for repairing larger holes, a putty knife for easy application of the compound, and a piece of 220 grit sandpaper for sanding the repair to a smooth finish once dry. With a quick drying time of about an hour, this spackle kit is ideal for fast repairs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.